Hello children, welcome to AIMS India's online classes. This is biology session. So we have completed the lesson cell, its structure and functions. Now let us go through the questions which appeared in the previous Olympiad exams and Olympiad model questions in the today's video. So before going to that, let us briefly recall the concepts which we have learnt. Are you ready, children? All living organisms are made up of fundamental units of life called cell. Okay, cell is the structural and fundamental unit of all living organisms. Okay, what is the meaning of cell in Latin? It is a Latin word. The cell means a little room. Okay, the history of cell science begins by the discovery of cell by Robert Hooke. Okay, what he has done, he observed the cork tissue under microscope, his own microscope, and he observed that it is resembled the structure of a honeycomb, and he used the word cell to describe these units. It is still used in the day biology, that is called cell biology. He is called the father of cell biology. Okay, the compound microscope is discovered by Jacqueline Janssen. Okay, and the compound microscope consists of eyepiece objective lens and is considered to observe a cell after putting a drop of saffron in, to observe a plant cell or animal cell with the help of compound microscope. But actual structure, internal structure of the cell is observed with the electron microscope, not a simple compound microscope. The electron microscope was discovered by Jacqueline Janssen. Like the scientist Leeuwenhoek, he is the person who saw the free living cells in the pond water for the first time. He is called as father of microbiology. Then Robert Brown discovered nucleus. The cell theory stated by Schleiden and Schwann. With the help of cell theory only, we could able to define the cell as a structural and functional unit of all living organisms. The cell theory was further expanded by Rudolf Virchow. What is the statement given by Rudolf Virchow? Cells arise from pre-existing cells. Okay, and we come across the different types of cells: onion cells, smooth muscle, blood cells, bone, osteocytes. Okay, then adipocytes, fat cells, nerve cell, germ cells like ovum and sperm. Okay, each kind of cell perform its specific function. A single cell may be constitute a whole organism. For example, amoeba, chlamydomonas, paramecium, bacteria. These are called the unicellular organisms. And multicellular organisms means plants and animals. In almost every cell, there are three main structures: plasma membrane, nucleus and cytoplasm. The two types of cells, what are they? Prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells. Prokaryotic are similar. They are primitive. Here you see in the figure bacterium cell. It is a prokaryotic cell. Eukaryotic cell possesses all different cell organelles like plasma membrane. Okay, and cell wall in the plant cell. We come across nucleus, well developed nucleus in the eukaryotic cell. It is called the control center of the cell. Okay, what is the nucleus made up of? Nucleus is made up of chromatin material. The chromosomes contain the information for inheritance and the features from the parents to the next generation in the form of DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid, and the protein molecules are also present in the nucleus. The functional segments of DNA are called genes. In some organisms like bacteria, nucleus is not covered by the nuclear membrane. Such cells are called prokaryotic cells. If you take the cell organelles, every cell has a cytoplasm. The nucleus and cytoplasm together called as a protoplasm. It has important cell organelles. What are they? Endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus or Golgi complex, lysosomes, mitochondria, plastids and vacuoles. What are endoplasmic reticulum? It is a large network of membrane, bounded tubules and vesicles. There are two types of endoplasmic reticulum. What are they? Rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum function, protein synthesis. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum function, secretion of proteins. Okay, and detoxification also. Lysosomes. What is the function of lysosomes? They are membrane bound sac-like structures. They are filled with powerful digestive enzymes. So they are called suicidal bags of the cell. It is a waste disposal system of the cell also. It is also called waste disposable system of the cell. Mitochondria. Mitochondria is covered by double membrane and it is a semi-autonomous organelle which contains DNA also inside. The main function of mitochondria is production of energy, ATP, during cellular respiration. That's why mitochondria are considered as powerhouses of the cell. Then plastids. Plastids are present only in the plant cells. There are three main types of plastids. What are they? Chromoplast, colored plastids present in the petals and the outer peel of the fruits, colorful parts. Chloroplasts, they are green plastids present in the herbaceous parts of the plant, green parts of the plant, that is leaves, perform photosynthesis. Leucoplasts, they are white colored plastids present in the storage parts of the plant like seeds. Okay, leucoplasts are colorless plastids, white in color. The next, vacuoles. Vacuoles are the specialized structures. They are present only in the plants and in the animals. If they are present also, they are very small, but vacuoles in the plants are very large. Okay, they are storage cell organelles. Okay, this is briefly about the cell organelles and their functions. Okay, what are the protein factories of the cell? Ribosomes. Okay, so let us enter into the worksheet. The first question: what would happen if nucleus is removed from the cell? The activities of the cell will not be controlled. The cell will not have a regular shape. The cell will not be able to store food and water. The movement of substances in and out of the cell will not be controlled. Okay, what is the option? Correct option: the activities of the cell will not be controlled. So control center of the cell is nucleus. Okay, question 2. Abhi conducted an experiment to investigate what would happen when different cell organelles of a balsam plant leaf are removed. The results are recorded in the table given below. Okay, what he has recorded? Cell part P. What is his result? The cell cannot function properly. Cell part Q. Iodine solution remains yellowish brown. Part R. The cell cannot control the entry and exit of the substances. And part S. The cell loses its regular shape. So identify the cell parts P, Q, R and S. Okay, according to the options, identify the cell parts P, Q, R, S. Okay, P. The cell cannot function properly. Means the functions are interrupted. Control center of the cell is nucleus. The option P will be the nucleus. Then Q. Q part, what is the function? What is the outcome of the Q part? Iodine solution remains yellowish brown. So the result, the part which is applicable is chloroplast. Okay, iodine solution is used to test the presence of starch. Okay, so chloroplast, because photosynthesis takes place in the chloroplast. Next, R. What is the outcome of the R? The cell cannot control the entry and exit of the substances. So it is the function of cell membrane or plasma membrane. Okay, and the last S part, the cell loses its regular shape. So the shape and the structure, the function is cell wall. Okay, so here option C is showing all the correct nucleus. Q is the chloroplast, R is the cell membrane, S is the cell wall. So these kind of questions, analytical type questions, appear in the Olympiad exams. Okay, you have to read question, keenly observe and select the right option. Okay children, which of the following organelles is may possible for mechanical support and enzyme transport? Here the options: mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, chloroplast and Golgi complex. Okay, the cell skeleton is the endoplasmic reticulum. It also helps in the transport of enzymes. Identify the function of ribosome. Generates energy, synthesis lipids, carries genetic material, synthesize proteins. Okay, the main function of ribosomes is protein synthesis. They are called protein factories of the cell. Okay, option D. Which of the following represents X and Y? Here cell X and cell Y is given, and here the options are given. Left side, cell wall, cytoplasm, nucleus, cell membrane, chloroplast. Okay, here actually this is the symbol indicates right symbol. Okay, here cell wall present, cytoplasm present, nucleus present and cell membrane present, and chloroplast is absent. Chloroplast also present, here absent given. Okay, next in the cell Y, cell wall is absent, cytoplasm is present, nucleus is present, cell membrane is present and chloroplast is absent. Okay, so here you have to identify from the options given below. The options are animal cell, X is animal cell, Y is plant cell, X is plant cell, Y is animal cell, X is fungal cell, Y is animal cell, and the X is animal cell and Y is a fungal cell. So here once again you see, here cell wall present, cytoplasm present, nucleus present, cell membrane is present, but chloroplast is absent, means non-chlorophyllous. But cell wall is present, no, it belongs to plant category only. Whereas here cell wall is absent, remaining cytoplasm, nucleus and cell membrane are commonly present, and chloroplast is absent. So here the probability cell Y is animal cell, no doubt in it, and cell X belongs to plant group, maybe the bacteria, maybe the, as the chloroplast is absent, it is a non-green. Okay, so fungal cell. So here the option C, fungal cell is the X and animal cell is the Y. The chloroplast is absent in which of these cells? Stem, leaf, root, sepal. Chloroplast is absent in the root. Root contain the storage tissue. Okay, the leucoplasts are present. So chloroplasts are absent in the roots, no photosynthesis. Identify the statement that is not true. Cytoplasm contains jelly-like substance. Nucleus makes food for the plant. Chloroplast contains chlorophyll. Cytoplasm is the site where many cell activities takes place. Here we have to select a wrong statement which is not true. Nucleus makes food. Actually chloroplast makes food for the plant. Next, what is the function of chloroplast? To absorb carbon dioxide during photosynthesis, to break up water into hydrogen and oxygen during photosynthesis, or to absorb food, or to form protein and amino acids in the presence of sunlight. What is the main function? Actually photolysis of water takes place during the photosynthesis. Light activated chlorophyll will do that. So to break up the water into hydrogen and oxygen during photosynthesis. Which cell organelle is or absent in an animal cell? A nucleus, a cell wall, large vacuole, both B and C. Okay, these two are absent. A cell wall and a large vacuole are absent in the animal cell. Which labeled cell is found in the nervous system? Here P, Q, R, S figures are given. Keenly observe, children. What is P, what is Q, what is R, what is S? Here the question is the option labeled related to nervous system means neuron. So here this is representing the nervous system. So option P. Okay. Next, question number 11. The given cell is found in which organ system? The given cell is present in which organ system? So this cell is representing a sperm. I am giving clue. The sperm is present in which organ system? Digestive system, reproductive system, circulatory system, respiratory system. So it is present in the produced by male reproductive system. The plant cells contain a cell wall. Which substance is present in the cell wall? Protein, carbohydrate, starch, cellulose. So cellulose is the main chemical substance. It is a polysaccharide, carbohydrate only. Which of these are the parts of the protoplasm? Cell membrane and cytoplasm, chloroplast and cell wall, cytoplasm and nucleus, vacuole and cytoplasm. The protoplasm is equal to cytoplasm plus nucleus. Okay. Which of the following statements is true about the plant cell? The cytoplasm is filled up with nucleus. The cytoplasm is a jelly-like mixture of cellulose. Plant cells contain a rigid cell wall made up of cellulose. There are plenty of chloroplast granules in plant root cells. What is the true statement about the plant cell? You have to select. The plant cell contains a rigid cell wall made up of cellulose. This is the true statement. Remaining all are wrong. Which labeled part magnifies the object under examination? So microscope diagram is given. The P, Q, R, S. Out of these three, which labeled part magnifies the object? It is the Q part. Okay, this is the eyepiece only. Lens are here which magnifies the, so only Q is the correct option. Which part of the cell contains genetic information? Cell, nucleus, chloroplast, mitochondria. Genetic information is generally present in the nucleus in the form of chromosomes, genes. Genetic information is present. Which of the following statements are true about the nucleus of a cell? It is bounded by two membranes, controls all the activities in the cell, contains genetic information, all of these. Okay, so here it is bounded by two membranes, that is called nuclear envelope. So this is correct. Controls all the activities of the cell, this is also correct. Contains genetic information, this is also correct. So the option D, all of these. Identify the organism that contains nerve cell. Yeast, Spirogyra, earthworm, amoeba. Okay, these are the lower organisms, fungi, algae and protozoa. So here the nerve cell is present in the earthworm, somewhat a higher invertebrate animal. Annelida belongs to. Nerve ring is present in that. Identify the function of Golgi complex. It helps in photosynthesis, it helps in secretion, it helps in respiration, it helps in protein synthesis. Photosynthesis, chloroplast. Respiration, mitochondria. Protein synthesis, ribosomes. So Golgi complex helps in the secretion of lipids or secretory organelles. Next, which cell organelle is the site of respiration within the cell? Nuclear membrane, mitochondria, lysosome, chloroplast. Mitochondria. Okay, it is cellular respiration takes place in the mitochondria. Which characteristic feature make mitochondria and chloroplasts as semi-autonomous organelle? They oxidize carbohydrates and fatty acids. They have their own DNA and ribosomes. They are present in all kinds of cells. They provide energy to the cell. Semi-autonomous organelle means it can divide on its own, but remaining organelles, nucleus, if cell wants to divide, nucleus has to require. But here the mitochondria and the chloroplast, these two are semi-autonomous because of presence of their own DNA. The DNA present in the mitochondria is called mitochondrial DNA. Chloroplast is called as chloroplast DNA. Okay, they help in the semi-autonomous, means they can divide on their own without depending on the nucleus of the cell. Which cell organelle is involved in the protein synthesis? Chromosome, lysosome, ribosome, mesosome. It is the ribosome which involved in protein synthesis. Which of the following cell organelle is rich in hydrolyzing enzymes? Ribosomes, mitochondria, lysosomes, Golgi complex. It is the lysosomes which involved in the autolysis, called as suicidal bags of the cell, intracellular digestion. So lysosomes contain hydrolyzing enzymes. In which of the following organisms you observe a cell with three different types of large organelles, each bounded by two membranes? A plant, an animal, a fungus, or a bacterium? Okay, it is a plant which possesses three different types of large organelles. Okay, cell wall, then plastids, chloroplasts, okay, and vacuoles. These three different membrane bounded organelles are present in the plants. Okay, which of the following features is common to chloroplast, chromoplasts, and leucoplasts? The presence of pigments, the possession of thylakoids and grana, they are the storage plastids, the ability to multiply. Okay, the common feature is they contain DNA plastids because the ability to multiply. If you take the functions, chloroplast photosynthesis, chromoplast helps in the pollination, leucoplast helps in the storage. Functionally they are different, but one common feature, that is they possess DNA, ability to multiply. Which of the following is not the function of vacuole? Storage, providing turbidity and rigidity to the cell, waste excretion, locomotion. Okay, the remaining all the first three functions it carry out: storage, providing turbidity and rigidity, waste excretion. So locomotion is not the function. Okay, it is not the function of a vacuole. Which cell organelle carries the function of mechanical support, enzyme circulation, protein synthesis and detoxification of drugs? Chromoplast, chloroplast, mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum. So it is the endoplasmic reticulum. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum performs the detoxification of the drugs. Rough endoplasmic reticulum performs the protein synthesis and enzyme circulation. Okay. Which organelle is composed of cristae and matrix? Cristae and matrix. Chloroplast, nucleolus, mitochondria and central vacuole. It is a mitochondria which contain cristae and a matrix. Next, which part of the cell stores nutrients? Mitochondria, vacuole, ribosome, oxysomes. Nutrients are stored, maintains the osmotic balance. It is the vacuole, storehouse of the cell. Which cell organelle controls all the activities of the cell? Chloroplast, cytoplasm, vacuole, nucleus. Nucleus controls all the activities of the cell. Which of the following structures helps you to determine that it is not an animal cell? Cell wall and vacuole, mitochondria and ribosome, ribosomes and lysosomes, plasma membrane. So it is the option 1. Cell wall and vacuoles are absent in the animal cell. Which of these cell organelles stores starch granules and oil droplets? Mitochondria, leucoplast, chloroplast, ribosomes. It is the leucoplast. Okay. Leucoplast. There are different names are there for depending upon the storage of the materials. Okay. Amyloplast, which stores the carbohydrates. Okay. So here the leucoplasts are the organelles which store starch grains and oil droplets. Next, which of the following cell organelles constitute the protoplasm? Cell membrane, cytoplasm, nucleus. Both cytoplasm and nucleus. So already we come across this question. So option D, protoplasm is equal to cytoplasm plus nucleus. Which of the following statements is not true about the sperm cell? It has a long tail capable of swimming. It does not have a cell wall. It have substances that carry genetic information. It is the longest cell. So it is the longest cell is not the suitable statement related to the sperm. The longest cell is the neuron. Which cell organelle reduces the number of other organelles? Endoplasmic reticulum, mitochondria, lysosome, ribosome. Lysosome, it is the cell organelle which is active even after the death of the cell. It will reduce the number of cell organelles. It eat away the remaining part of the cell. So this is lysosome undergoes the autolysis. So this is the organelle which reduce the number of other organelles. Which cell organelles are present in both animal and plant cells? Cell walls, first option A, cell wall, chromosome, cytoplasm, chloroplast. Cell membrane, chromosome, cytoplasm, mitochondria. Option C, cell membrane, chloroplast, chromosomes, cytoplasm. And option D, cytoplasm, mitochondria, cell wall, chromosomes. So here the option B. What is the option B? Cell membrane, chromosomes, cytoplasm and mitochondria are present both in plant cell and animal cell. Which of the following statement is not true about the given figure? Okay, here the figure P represents the nerve cell and Q represents the RBC. So option A, P and Q have a nucleus. P and Q carry out life process. P and Q are animal cells. P is a nerve cell. Okay, here Which of the following statement is not true? Okay, P and Q have nucleus. Okay, P and Q carry out life process. This is wrong. P and Q are animal cells. Okay, true. P is a nerve cell. Okay, true. So this is the B option is wrong. Which of the following cells is similar to the cell shown below? Here the figure showing a cell with cell membrane, cytoplasm and nucleus, similar to the cell shown below. A sperm, a cheek cell, a nerve cell, a mature RBC. So actually it's a very simple structure. So it is similar to a cheek cell. Level 2 questions. So far we have completed the level 1. Directly by seeing the question you can identify the option. But level 2 you have to understand the question. Identify the part labeled P, Q and R in the diagram of a root hair cell shown below. You have to identify P, Q and R. P vacuole, Q nucleus, R cell wall. P protoplasm, Q nucleus, R cell membrane. Option 3, P nucleus, Q vacuole, R cell wall. And option D, P mitochondria, Q nucleus, R cell wall. Okay, identify the parts, labeled parts. No doubt P is the nucleus and Q is the largest part, so that is the vacuole, and R is the outermost, so cell wall. Okay, option C. The shape of the cell is determined by the function it performs. Which of these best represents the shape of the red blood cell? Here option A, B, C, D are given. So option A is representing like a plant cell. Option B is also. Option D, some of the organelle it is showing. Option C is representing the red blood cell, oval shape. Okay. Identify the part labeled X in the figure. Sieve tube, sieve plate, companion cell, sieve pore. It is the sieve pore. Option D. Which of the cell transport oxygen? So here A, B, C, D options are given. So A represent the RBC, B is representing a muscle cell, C is representing a sperm, and D is representing a cheek cell. Okay, here the option A, RBC transport the oxygen. Identify P, Q and R from the information given below. P, a colorless liquid like jelly substance. Q, maintains the shape of a cell. R, contains the genetic information. Okay, colorless liquid jelly like substance is a protoplasm. P, and maintains the shape of the cell wall. And R contains the genetic information, means nucleus. Okay, so here the right option is jelly like substance, protoplasm or cytoplasm, and cell wall and nucleus. So option D. Identify the part and the organism from which the cell be from. Here the nucleus, mitochondria, vacuole, chloroplast. Definitely representing the plant cell. The feather of a bird, the stem of the cactus, the wing of the bird, and the anther of the flower. So here stem of the cactus. Okay. Next, the energy released within an animal cell would be severely disturbed by the removal of which of the labeled cell organelle? Here 4 organelles are given, P, Q, R, S. Here energy is released within the animal cell. What is the energy releasing organelle? Mitochondria. Try to identify the mitochondria here. So it is the mitochondria, the organelle P. Okay. So option A. Okay, children. So this is for this worksheet, Olympiad worksheet. So please visit our website www.aimstoday.in for other information regarding online classes, quizzes, live worksheets and activities, even English classes and coding. Okay, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for receiving latest updates.